Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're a returning viewer. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look. It's giving quick weave but without all the extras. We are just using a half wig from ISEE Hair, you guys. So let's get straight into this unboxing. This is the cute box it comes in, and it also comes with a pan flip for hair care and any facts and all that jazz. And then of course some wig caps, and then a wig band and another wig band that goes at the back of the wig for adjusting. The wig is so full, the curls are so bouncy. Like, I loved everything about it. Like, look at how look at the density. Like, she's so full, especially in the back. Like, nothing is see-through, okay? Period. Y'all see it comes with these drawstring tassels and also a clip right here in the front, also on this side and on the other side as well, and also a clip in the back. This is what I got going on to put on this wig. Absolutely don't recommend this method. I just did a flat twist and then a bun in the back. Please do some braids, y'all. I was so lazy, but I mean, look, if you only plan to do this hairstyle for a day or two, you can get away with this, but it won't be comfortable long term. And when I say long term, I mean like a week or two. So yeah, but this is my little leave out. I just blow dried her real good, got all them knots out, because we are going to be going in and adding some heat to my hair to get a blend. Super easy install process. Just attach the wig and boom, like we in there. Y'all see it's looking so good already, like so full, so pretty. Yeah, the curls ate like Burmese curly. Yeah, it's giving raw hair. It's giving raw bundles. Look at the back, y'all. Period. Okay, so now I'm going to start doing my leave out. I wanted to start off with my baby hairs. I'm going in with the hot comb to just press out the hairs before I go in and curl them. So I'm going to go ahead and curl them with my pencil flat iron here. On a regular day, I probably would have just went in and did my baby hairs regularly, but this was my birthday hair, so you know I had to go ahead and do it a little bit of extra, you know, give it a real leave out, like, oh, her hair just got did look. So I'm using my Got to Be Glue hairspray to lay down my baby hairs today. I love using this. It does get a little flaky after a day or whatever, but it ain't nothing but to put some water on it and redo them. I do like to let the Got to Be Glue spray sit on my baby hairs for at least like an hour, not an hour, what am I saying? For at least a minute, like 30 seconds to a minute, for it to like get a little dry so it can like lay down without being so wet anymore. You know, really get a firm mold on these hairs. Now I'm going to take my hot comb and press out my hair. You could skip this step if you want to, especially if your hair's already blow dried out pretty good. I was just being extra. Like I said, it was my birthday. I wanted to give like a real flip over, like super pressed out and have a little bump type beat. I was gonna go with my wax stick, but I was like, you know what? The less product, the better. So I'm just take pieces of my hair and wrap it around the base of the flat iron. I don't have a super small like pencil curling iron or wand, so this is the technique that I'm going to use. Honestly, this worked just as fine as a curling iron or wand would work. Like, literally no difference. It gives you the same exact result. So if you have this, you know, you can go ahead and use what you have at the crib already. So yeah, I'm just gonna hold my hair in these little sections for like 20 seconds, maybe 30, to get a nice hold. And I'm not curling it in any certain direction. I'm honestly just going by feeling what I feel like would look right. I do want it to give like a bumped up look, so I am keeping that in mind. But yeah, y'all see the sections that I'm grabbing, not too big, not too small. You can even grab smaller sections than this, honestly. But yeah, y'all see the curls is coming through, period. Y'all don't even need a lot of leave out either. Like, y'all see how much hair I had. You can have even less than that only grabbed like a little bit more hair than usual because my hair is pretty fine and I wanted my curls to actually pop and really blend. Like I didn't want my hair to give see-through like and not really blend with the wig. So I grabbed just a tiny bit more hair than the average person would if you don't have like fine hair like me. But yeah, y'all, the amount that I took, it still did me right. Like I was a little nervous it was going to be too much and it wouldn't blend, but it blended all together really, really perfectly. I'm taking the pencil flat iron and wrapping it around some of the pieces on the wig just so it can give more of that Burmese curly vibe that it was giving all throughout. Some of the curls weren't as spirally like that, so I wanted to add a touch more of those spirals, but the blend is insane, you guys. Like I wasn't expecting it to look this good, especially because my hair is on the thinner, finer side, but that did not matter, you guys. Like the hair gave and it did everything that I was hoping it would, especially for my birthday. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna separate some of these curls and that's really the finished look. Like wow, such a cute and simple, easy, efficient look in seconds, y'all. Well, not seconds, but you know, in minutes. I highly recommend this wig. It gives luxurious, it gives expensive, it gives raw bundles, and the link for this is absolutely perfect. All the details would be in the description box down below. Y'all make sure y'all check that out. And I'm just giving you guys a complete hair show so I can see all around how this hair looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.